If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. How's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing incredible out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here to wrap up the conclusion of this trade I had going on the USD JPY pair here for the NADEX 5-minute binary options. In this position, you can see on the chart here, we have a well-established upward trend as indicated by the center Bollinger Band and the Bollinger Band trending to the up direction. You can see what I'm circling here is the bullish engulfing candle that is leaping just beyond our strike of entry here, breaking into a higher high for this continued uptrend. With just about 5 seconds remaining here, we will go ahead and take a full profit on this position here for just under a $150 profit after fees. Absolutely fantastic profit there for that short-term entry. So over the next 4 minutes, I will continue to look for a touch of the center Bollinger Band, and I will only consider an additional entry on this pair here upon confirmation near the center Bollinger Band. That will come in the way of another bullish engulfing candle to continue the upward trend, or potentially a bearish engulfing candle indicating a trend reversal in the short term. I will bring you back if we have any confirmation on either leg for another potential entry here. In this instance, we did not get confirmation for an additional entry opportunity here, but as the saying goes, you want quality over quantity, and that can't apply more heavily than here with trading NADEX binary options. It is always best to have 1 or 2 premium trading opportunities as opposed to about 10 subpar trading opportunities where you could be more likely to incur a losing scenario. So in this instance, we definitely chose quality over quantity. We waited for our confirmations as outlined, and we got a fantastic short-term profit there for this position. If you want to see a more detailed but still simple and straightforward breakdown of how I find these perfect storm trading entries for more consistent long-term trading results, then be sure to check out my Informed Traders educational package, where I cover in a multi-video series exactly which indicators I like to use and how I combine them together to find entries just like what you see here in this video. Alternatively, I do offer the shadow trading program where you can get access to any time I enter and exit a trade 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If those sound interesting to you, those resources are down in the description and the comments below. Otherwise, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content just like this, and I'll be sure to incorporate more trade breakdowns in the future as well. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day out there today. Catch you next time. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing amazing out there today. If you are a user already of the NADEX binary options platform, you may have noticed some recent changes to the contract values. We are here to discuss this now. NADEX has recently introduced new mini contracts. What does this mean for you? Smaller contracts means an easier barrier to entry when trading binary options for traders with a specific risk aversion and smaller account sizes. Here are some examples of my recent trades to show the possibilities for smaller account size traders. As you can see, each contract entry is valued at less than $10 per contract. You can see by trading one contract size, the new settlement payouts will equal to $10 of total value per contract, as opposed to the old settlement payouts of $100 per contract, significantly increasing the accessibility to trading NADEX binary options to traders of any account size. So we see here, guys, a 10 times reduction to the barrier to entry. From here, you can scale up or down the total contract size of each trade by your personal risk tolerance and account size. If you find yourself interested in trading NADEX binary options, please be sure to check my resources in the description below. Specifically catered to traders of all experience levels, our offerings include the Informed Traders educational package, a carefully crafted video series covering exactly which indicators I use, their settings, and how I use them together to find my trade entries. Alternatively, I offer the shadow trading program. This is a carefully refined service with direct access to my trading entries in real time on a weekly basis, trading 5 nights a week from Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Explore both of these options and check out the new NADEX features with the mini contracts. You can explore both of these options in the description and pinned comments below. Thanks everyone for watching, and I look forward to trading with you. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.